It started a week ago. Every night, at 3:17 a.m., my doorbell rings. Just once. I live alone. No one should be there. The first time, I checked. No one. Second night? Same thing. I started recording it. And every night, I'd see the doorbell light flash at exactly 3:17, but no one was there. Then last night, I stayed awake. Waited by the peephole. At 3:17, it rang again. But this time, I saw someone. They were standing still, staring at the door. No face. Just darkness where a face should be. I didn't move. They didn't either. 5 minutes passed. Then, they whispered my name. I never told anyone I lived here. Now the doorbell doesn't ring anymore. But at 3:17 a.m., I hear breathing from the hallway.